Hello viewers, I am Gursimran Kaur, your maths teacher. Do not forget to subscribe, share and like my channel if you find this video useful. In this video, I'll start with the second part of the introduction of number system. In this video, we'll discuss about decimal expansion of real numbers. In last video, I discussed about the various types of number system. Those who have not seen that video can go and see the part 1 of the introduction. Let's start this. Decimal expansion of real numbers is classified into 3 types. First is terminating decimal expansion. Second is non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. And third is non-terminating non-repeating decimal expansion. These 3. Now let's discuss the first thing, that is terminating decimal expansion. In terminating decimal expansion, in this remainder becomes 0 after some steps, right? In this remainder becomes 0. Now terminating also leads to the something that is ending, and 0 is also something that is ending. So this is an easier way to learn this definition. Terminating decimal expansions are those in which if we divide the fraction we get the remainder as 0 after some steps. Let's discuss some example. 48 by 100. I have divided here 48 by 100. 48 was smaller, so I put the decimal. At 4 I got 400. By subtracting it got 80, and again putting 0 at 8 it got finished, and the answer is 0. That was we were talking about in the starting, that the remainder becomes 0 after some steps. So in this case we write as 0.48. Now at this point it is ending and nothing is repeating here, or nothing is there that it is going further and further. So this comes under terminating decimal expansions. It ends after some steps. Now second is non-terminating decimal expansion. In this, remainder repeat itself after some steps. In first case we talked about that remainder becomes 0. In this case remainder repeats after some steps. In some other languages we also say non-terminating recurring decimal expansions, right? For example, I have taken the fraction 1 by 7, and after division, dividing 1 by 7 in the simpler way, by division method only, I got 0.142857, and at this point I got 1 from where I started. So it repeats. Now again I'll get the answer 142857, and after that it will repeat again and again. So for this repeating I have put the bar here, and this is written as 0.142857 at the bar because it is repeating, it is not ending. Therefore this comes under non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. Now the third one is non-terminating non-repeating decimal expansions. The difference here is that it will not repeat. Decimal expansions will neither end nor repeat. In this, remainder never becomes 0 nor it repeats. This decimal expansion also can be said as non-terminating non-reoccurring decimal expansions. For this, let's take the example root 2. Root 2, the value of root 2 after division method by taking the square root, I got 1.414213. Here I have taken the square root, like at 1 I got 1 smaller than 2, and by subtracting it got 1, and then nothing was there, so I put the double zeros and adding here 1 and 1 2. At fourth position I had put the double zeros, therefore at decimal point at fourth position it was 96. So after subtracting I got 4, then Again, double zeros here. 0, we put double zeros. These double zeros here. Then it will go on, it will not end at all. I have put the answer here already for some steps. This comes under non-terminating and non-repeating because it is not ending and neither it is repeating after decimal points. Hope so that you have learned and understood about the 3 decimal expansions. Let's recall all the 3: terminating decimal expansion and non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. These both come under rational numbers. Those decimal expansions which are of the type 1 and type 2 come under rational numbers because they satisfy the definition of rational number, that is P by Q, where P and Q belongs to integers and Q is not equal to 0, right? And the third type comes under irrational numbers. Hope you all the 3 types are clear. If you have any doubts, please write in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video.